Welcome back to Trojan. Today we're exploring the terminal's overall settings, the control center, where you make Trojan truly yours. First off, where do you find them? Click the Settings icon at the bottom of the page. You'll see 4 tabs. Take your time. Click through them, and don't skip the help text. It's there for a reason. Let's start with General Settings. Here, you can toggle the top bar on or off, choose your default display currency, and fine-tune how your PNL displays. You'll have 2 options for your PNL, but what's the difference between default and lifetime? Default resets the PNL after you sell your full position. Lifetime keeps tracking your total performance, even if you buy back in. Trade Settings Sync comes next. It decides whether your trade settings stay consistent across all open tabs, or if each tab runs its own setup. If you multitask with different tokens, unique tabs might be the way to go. Make it work for you. Next, notifications. Here, you can set where they appear. Choose if they stack, toggle which alerts you want, and even pick your sounds, or none at all. Your terminal, your style. Now on to widgets. Adjust opacity to make them bold and bright, or subtle and minimal. Bring focus where you want it. Finally, hotkeys. This is where power users live. Assign hotkeys for instant buys and sells tied directly to your trade settings profile. You can map a key for quick buy using your preset amount, or for a quick sell, dumping 100% of your bag in a heartbeat. There's also clipboard token. Press the key, and Trojan opens the trade page for any contract address you've copied. And if you don't want a hotkey, simply highlight it and hit backspace. If you want the sharpest edge, you need to tailor Trojan Terminal to fit the way you move. It's powerful and fast on its own, but when you dial it in, you take the next step. Take some time here. Explore, tinker, and make it truly yours. I'll see you out in the trenches.